तो स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका मेरी पहली पॉडकास्ट में। मिनी पॉडकास्ट इश और yes I know I'm sounding like a radio man but you have to bear with me here. So today I'm here with my guest, my guest player Ayush Rai. He's an unschooler. बाकी इंट्रो वो खुद आपको दे देगा.
Well, I'm 17.
Nice.
I'm right now into animation, digital animation, but I suck at drawing. So right now I'm just practicing that. Before that, I was into coding. I'm sort of a techie, you can say, or whatever. Otherwise, I wasn't always unschooling. I went to school till 5th grade. I think it was after second grade, we had shifted to India. It was then that unschooling became, or not unschooling, alternative education became
Part of your life.
not part of my part of my parents' life first, because like they were the ones who insisted me. My life, I was very iffy about not unschooling but alternative education in general.
So you didn't exactly like the idea of alternative education / homeschooling / unschooling.
No, I did not. I was actually fearful of it.
Oh, okay. Damn.
I honestly, I was like, "Acha, what are these hippies doing with their lives?"
Nice.
But I don't know. It just my life sort of derailed at that
Interesting.
point. Right now,
And
yes.
you live in Pune and you are unschooling right now.
Right now, yes. As of currently.
Nice. That's nice. So हम game चालू करते हैं and then let's see how. So yeah, before starting the game, we are playing CS:GO, and yeah, that's it. Hey, which team you are choosing? Are you a terrorist or a counter-terrorist?
Terrorists.
If you again bomber, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Okay,
I mean, I'll try to whoop your ass.
that's more like it.
So, a lot of people who's Krola, you kill me. So, a lot of people who are gonna watch this podcast will be wondering कि भाई ये unschooling क्या किस चिड़िया का नाम है? Would you like to quickly tell me what is unschooling for you?
Generally, unschooling would be well, when you're on your own journey, sort of learning on your own, and I guess the way it would be considered different from homeschooling would be aspect of learning on your own. Matlab, there is no curriculum.
So
Like
basically,
everything-
you don't have to go to school. You have to create a kind of your own lifestyle and you have to customize your life around your learning situation. मतलब जैसे भी आपको सीखना है वो आप सीख सकते हो, but it has to be customized by you.
Acha, wait.
Not
If
anyone
I had to
else.
say unschooling in one word, it would be anarchy. I think it's
Crazy.
like the perfect definition right now.
Now that we know what is unschooling in general, like you don't go to school and you form your own learning pattern and you see what you want to do in life and blah blah blah. ठीक है. It's basically a self-designed living process basically.
Unschooling is like I can be unschooling if I go to school also. It's if I'm doing
Okay.
it with awareness, like I know why I'm going to school, what I'm gonna get out of school, and what makes it better, sort of like pros and cons and what benefit does it give me.
I get it. Basically it's kind of मतलब spiritual level पे बोल दिया तुमने बात.
Spiritual
मतलब
level
everyone-
पे logically भी, like if you're thinking, you're doing something logically sort of, but
So-
not necessarily logically also.
So you're saying everyone has a potential of unschooling and starting unschooling from right now. मतलब ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि you have to leave school or you have to do something in particular. You just have to be aware of what you're doing and why you're doing, right?
At least try to, like something that would help would be reflection, of course, like when you look back on what you've done and how you could improve, or if you did improve or if you didn't improve, stuff like that.
Wait, what team are you going? Terrorist or counter?
Yeah, I
Nice.
think anybody
This-
can really unschool. Matlab, unschool, at least by my definition, anybody can really unschool if they think about what they're doing and why they're doing. But I mean, some might disagree, and I mean that's
Obviously,
fine also.
वो तो रहेगा. यार ये बीच में आ जाते हैं यार लोग, क्या टट्टी है यार. Dude, I'm on the top. Check that shit out.
Oh,
How?
it's the start of the game. I am also on the top.
I'm generally very very annoyed by people. asking me questions about unschooling because उनका सवाल है ना हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है कि भाई तुम्हारा दिन कैसा होता है, तुम
Exactly.
क्या करते हो, क्या खाते हो, क्या सब पहले अनस्कूलिंग ही करते थे, मतलब जब स्कूल नहीं था तो इट वाज वेरी ओल्ड.
I mean, unschooling as a, it was not unschooling, it's living. It's a lifestyle.
Yeah,
It's not
basically
a,
living. Yeah, that's what. अभी
It's
हमने
not-
फैंसी बना लिया है,
हाँ.
पर it's a living style. How do you deal with these kind of uncle and aunties who always ask you कि भाई तुम क्या करते हो पूरा दिन घर में, स्कूल में मिस नहीं करते, स्कूल नहीं जाओगे तो ये नहीं आएगा वो नहीं आएगा, और जनरली पीपल हु आर स्टीरियोटाइपिंग और हु आर नॉट रेडी टू रिसीव, हाउ डू यू डील विद देम?
So, I usually have a set thing, predefined sort of interest. अच्छा, right now I'm doing Python or right now I'm doing animation, and उसमें मैं
Right.
try कर रहा हूँ, and अभी पूरा दिन मैं ये करता हूँ, stuff like that. But usually I tend to my parents, all of us have gotten so fed up with it, we try to stay away from these people.
Does not going to school affect your social life? Now you have been, मतलब तुझे 1000 बार पूछा होगा ये, but I would like
Definitely,
to know as well.
and every time I've said definitely it does. And
Okay, just explain.
so if you, well, I mean, if I do, some people will not find that an issue. Matlab, it's because I am me that I'm finding a different social life. It is not the story for everyone. I'll just put that out there first. मेरे school में I did not have a lot of friends. I had a
Okay.
lot of acquaintances sort of, but I had like 2 friends at most. And मतलब 5 friends society में.
Okay.
उससे ज़्यादा मेरे दोस्त नहीं थे. मतलब when I left school, I lost the friends that I had from school. One, I was not online, so all my friends contact सिर्फ real life में होता था. I didn't really have that inclination to have friends.
मेरा मेन क्वेश्चन ये है कि does unschooling affect your social life, and if it did, how? Dude, I'm on the top. How did you tackle it, or did you want to tackle it? I don't know, something
I didn't really want to tackle it. I was fine with living in, well, for 2 years before I went to LSUC last year, or 3 years or so. I did.
Yeah, I remember Sardar Share, you were there, right?
Before that, I hadn't. For about 2 years, I didn't talk to anyone much. So in that sense, unschooling did affect my social life, where I did not talk to anyone pretty much. Society के कुछ दोस्त थे, like 2 friends at most, which also I slowly started breaking off from. Eventually,
I don't see कि unschooling, मतलब it was more of a choice, मतलब it's obviously more of a choice of a person के कितना effort डालना है, because when you thought that you want to meet people, then you started putting an effort, and then you started going to
हाँ.
places, right, like LSUC. So do you think, मतलब obviously unschooling did affect your social life, but in a way it also gives an opportunity to, मतलब
it gives me the control of my social life. Whereas
You-
in school,
मतलब-
I am sort of forced to communicate with others. While unschooling, I had the full control.
but do you go and blame unschooling for not having friends?
No, I do not. It's not unschooling. It's me. I mean, I can have friends if I want. There are other people, I think, who have friends while unschooling.
Like, I don't know, I'm giving my example, but
हाँ, I
Like,
think you
I-
are a good example of that.
मुझे तो बहुत दोस्त चाहिए थे, तो मतलब हर सिटी में मेरे 2-3 दोस्त तो है ही, मतलब. Do you need a structured learning process or no? And if you do, tell me why. If you don't, tell me why not.
Okay, me personally, I would choose the third option, where I need an unstructured learning process, because a structured learning process, at least when it's with a teacher or something like that, it puts quite a bit of stress on me to match up to their pace or to lower myself to their pace. So I personally prefer to learn on my own.
Right.
So I would not have a structured, meaning structured in the sense timely structured. एक अलग रहता है कि मतलब like there is a class and I have to learn this much by this time and stuff like that. Like that puts a lot of stress on me, and I do not like that stress. But then
got
there is the I am in control. Like, it's not some teacher or something. It's me
Or a
who's-
parent.
or a parent, I am going out to learn on my own, matlab, and I can stop taking that course or I can delay however.
You have the full control basically.
But it's not unstructured either, where
You're making your own structure in your own pace. It doesn't look like normal structure because लोगों को पता ही नहीं कि भाई खुद के स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनाते हैं, मतलब कस्टमाइज स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है. So it's a little hard to understand, but it's also easy to understand.
but this is like the mid range for me. Like this is the middle ground between completely structured and completely unstructured. What I do is like random shit. I for coding, what I would do is I would watch a YouTube tutorial to get started, leave it halfway. मतलब मेरे को समझ गया कि कैसे शुरू करना है और कैसे काम करता है. I leave it halfway and then I just play around with it.
So that's kind of an unstructured learning process. So you balance it out by structuring it a bit and not structuring it fully. मतलब something like that, right?
Well, I mean, I prefer to completely have it unstructured, but जैसे start करने के लिए you need some sort of introduction usually. So
right.
when you get into something new, you just need some sort of introduction sort of कि मतलब अच्छा इसको use कैसे करता हूँ मैं. तो वो मैं YouTube के ऊपर एक वीडियो रहता है, वो बीच में छोड़ देता हूँ जब समझ में आ जाता है. But and then from there I'm just playing around with the application or whatever it is. But it's mostly unstructured. मतलब सिर्फ beginning में समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा वो रहता है. The main fun is once you've understood how it works.
Why do you prefer unstructured learning?
Because I personally learn better that way. It's more fun for me. I cannot describe it better.
तो structured में क्यों नहीं मजा आता?
क्योंकि it's someone else is showing you and उसमें like थोड़ा सा मजा आता है, but you cannot stray from the topic that much. This is not in the middle ground. It's in the when it's completely structured, when there is a teacher and stuff.
Actually, I knew the answer, but I'm just asking it for the audience. I get it, you get it, but how do you explain this to like normal conventional people? Because a lot of people like boomers, they don't like the idea of unstructured learning. They get scared. They are most of the time they are insecure or I don't know, whatever. So how do you approach those kind of people with these kind of questions? Chalo, I'll play the role of a boomer. Okay?
Play the role.
I'll walk up. I'll play the role. So I'm an old man. I don't know why I'm stereotyping, but I am.
Yeah, you're stereotyping a ton.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm offensive. I'm sorry. Subscribe, like, share. I'm a middle-aged guy, जिसकी तोंद है और shit. And I'm asking you कि भाई बेटा स्कूल नहीं जाओगे तो डिग्री वगैरह नहीं आएगा, तुम सीखोगे नहीं, तुम अगर तुम्हारे टीचर से नहीं सीखोगे तो तुमको सिखाएगा कौन? खुद तो सीख नहीं पाओगे, तुम मस्ती करते रहोगे.
तुम जब छोटे थे तो मतलब when you were just born, it's not like you knew language from the birth. ऐसा नहीं है कि टीचर ने सिखाया था लैंग्वेज बाद में, मतलब सिखाया था पर at a higher level, not how to speak to your parents. मम्मी बोलना नहीं सिखाया था या वो सब नहीं सिखाया था, वो सब तुमने खुद सीखा है. कैसे सीखा? You learned. Does that not prove that there is a capability to learn from observation or living basically?
If we make this thing understand कि भाई तुम जीने से इतना सीख सकते हो, so you don't need any structure, you can learn with only life. But that's like a very मतलब बहुत लोगों को unrealistic वो लगता है, but I don't see it as unrealistic. मतलब how do you see
but
it?
I mean there is also the aspect that language is a very simple thing. Like if someone wanted to learn high level rocket science or medical science, then I really cannot say whether some structure is required or not. I'm still a bit iffy on that, whether in higher education, especially where lives are concerned, like medical science, should there be structured learning or should there not be structured?
मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है कि भाई तुमको अगर किसी चीज़ में पैशन है, so your learning drive, that spark ना, it comes मतलब पहले से, right? So
वो spark रहता है, वो passion रहता है.
So जब वो passion रहता है ना, तो you feel like I'll do it for hours. मतलब I used to edit, and even you मतलब एक टाइम के लिए रहेगा कि coding you must have done for days, right?
It's just so amazing, sort of.
हाँ,
the topic itself is so amazing that
drive is there. If the passion is there, then मेडिकल साइंस भी हो, दैट विल गो ऑन फॉर एवर. सो you may need a structured learning, but that will come from you. If the structured learning is coming from a third party, then it's a little difficult, because then you don't have the opportunity to make it your own way.
That's true. Matlab anything, matlab even if it was structured, unstructured, if it's coming externally, then you're not really learning, you're studying.
Dude, 2 बंदे को मैंने एक साथ मार दिया भाई. I got that on tape. You talked about a lot of things. You talked about unstructured learning. You talked about learning process. You talked about friends. Nice, like a lot of useful information. And ये सब इतने डिटेल में, और मैं मतलब जनरली मिलता नहीं इतना कंटेंट. So it's
हाँ,
nice कि मिल जाए.
especially अगर असली में आके पूछोगे मेरे को, मतलब not you, but if मतलब
Generally.
for an interview, it's much more detailed. But if someone were to ask me, like any of the people viewing this were to come and ask me in real life, I probably would give fake responses, because I mean so many people ask, you just come up with fake responses, like on the spot you know what you're gonna say and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
तो yeah, it was nice talking to you. Hopefully we'll get back to you. वापस भी आ जाएंगे एक बार और कुछ बात करेंगे. But you talked about a lot of stuff and all the things were useful. I could relate to it, and rich content. मतलब it's all useful, at least for me or maybe some audience. So thank you for giving me your time and the audience your time.
No problem. In fact, it was nice to be on. I actually enjoyed it.
Oh nice, that's good.
I would have no problem coming on later on also.
Oh yes.
मतलब
I
anytime.
would like to clarify कि भाई मैंने इसको कोई पैसा वैसा कुछ दिया नहीं इसको बोलने
नहीं
के लिए.
ऐसा
नहीं, वो 200 रुपये जो मैंने बैंक में डाल दिए ना, वो आ गए क्या तेरे बैंक पे?
नहीं है.
कल तक मिल जाएंगे.